How to solve Asphalt 9 app network connection issue. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing well, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Now head to the Play Store, tap on the search bar, and search for Asphalt 9. Now update to the latest version. Go back to your home screen, open up your settings application, go to apps, and click on app management. Now tap on Asphalt 9. Now click on force stop, tap on storage usage, and tap on clear data. Now go back, go to data usage, and make sure to disable the toggle of disable mobile data and disable Wi-Fi. Now restart your device. I hope this should fix the issue. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.